Good day, sir. My name is Simon Taylor. Today I will be assisting you for the camera system. So the second is explain what is integrated system integration. So integrated system is all about examining the parts of the body such as the skin, the nails, the head, and the lower body. And now can I ask you what's your name?
Over the head,
The third assessing the patient is for anatomy. Now for the first assessment is to inspect the overall skin coverage. But before we do the assessment is to we have to inform the patient consent if it's okay to touch their body. So some is okay to touch your
yes.
So far so good. All this skin is well conditioned. Now for the second assessment is inspect the skin vascularity within your skin. Now for the third is inspect the skin lesion. If the skin lesion is present, apply gloves to contain the skin lesion. Okay. Now for the first important step is to palpate the skin using the back hand of your hand. Now, the fifth assessment is palpate the skin for moisture and texture. Now, after that is to assess the skin fiber by reaching the skin under the control. Now, the next step is buttoning the edema under the edematous area. Is it okay to now for the next step for the assessment is to inspect the nails. Inspect the nails for plugging.